3/4 in decimal form ichi. 3/4 in decimal form ichi. 3/4.
Okay.
All right. I want to try. Kala inooneka here.
Yeah,
Zviri
it's
zvandati.
on.
All right. So you have to know this. You have to know kuti half in decimal form is 0.5. Handitika. Then 1/4 in decimal form then 0.25. Handiti.
Okay.
3/4 in decimal form 0.75. Handitika.
Okay.
So zviri kungoitika apa ndezvekuti tinotanga nekota toenda pahalf toenda pa3/4. Quarter 0.25, half 0.5, then 3/4 0.75. Tinomawana sei manumbers aya? Tinomawana by division. So in our previous lesson, tamboita the division of fractions. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 1, 0, comma, that's like a placeholder. 4 into 10, then 4, 8, 2. And remainder 2.
And 2.
Then 2 ino shares a placeholder kumberi kwayo. 4 into 20 ndeyani? 5. Saka ishi. Mazvona?
Yeah.
2 into 2, 1. 2 into 1, 0, comma, shares a placeholder. 2 into 10, 5. Zvaonekwa futi. Ndizoka?
Yeah.
4 into 4, 1. 4 into 3, 0, comma, shares a placeholder 3. 4 into 30 is 7, because chat 7, 14, 21, 28. Remainder 2, pesa 0 kumberi. 4 into 20, 5.
Okay.
Ndizo guys.